guy's May 27, 2020. This one here I got a call from somebody. The AC's not working. Like a condominium complex over there, so I have worked in a couple of these units over there. They're older units, so I'm assuming this is the same with this guy's setup. He says the outside unit's not running at all, so we're gonna go over there and see if we can get him AC going. Actually, one of the guys from the supply house had called me and said if I could service it for this guy, so we're on our way over there now and see what's going on with it. Probably an older 22 unit. Yo, gas and go, mama. Probably a capacitor or some burnt wire or something stupid most of the time. Most of the time it's something simple. Most of the time. We'll see. We'll go by there and see if we give it the once over, get it going for the guy. Check the filter inside and all that stuff. See what's going on with the air handler. Try to get you some shots. Miss Molly's enjoying the nice weather. Beautiful out today. I think it's going to be like 70, 73, 74 out today. I got to cut my grass later. Getting a little on the long side, mama. Steve is working again, y'all. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Check the filter here. Oh, American Standard. Don't look too bad. I'm gonna leave it in there. Alright, I kind of put the filter back where it belongs. That thing was not even where it needed to be, but that should be alright for now. Good enough for this neighborhood. Alright, so it says the outside unit's not running. Alright, the fan should be running now. See how that stopped? It should be running now. Alright, the fan's running. Stuff moving, the fan's running, so that's good. We'll check the outside unit. Well, it don't sound like the compressor's kicking in. The compressor's running. Check this capacitor. It's a 45. That might be bad. I don't see any chewed wires. Should be 45. Yeah, we're good there. Sometimes you put a hard start kit on there and they'll start up. Try that maybe. We'll get a hard start kit and we'll try it. See if it starts. We'll put the gauges on it, see if there's even any pressure in this thing. Might not even have pressure. It's refrigerant line's going to ground here, which I don't like that. See if we even got any pressure in this baby. Might not even have any gas in it. Pressure sensor, and a high pressure sensor I believe on this thing, so we want to see if we got any freon in the thing. It's 410A. Yeah, we got pressure. We got pressure. That's good. That's not the problem. We'll try a hard start kit on it, see if it starts it. Yeah, we got pressure. Let's put a hard start kit on it and see if that works. That's a 45. Alright, we're going to put a hard start torque kit on there and see if it kicks it over. That's the only one I got in the truck, so see if it works. If it works, we'll strap it in there, you know. If it works, we'll strap it in there. There goes the compressor. Good. Not rubbing or nothing, right? See the subcoolant, it's a little low. It should be around 10 or so, so it is low on the freon too. At least it's running now. I gotta put some freon in it, refrigerant. Let me get some. All right, so I bled the line back to the tank, opened it, opened this valve, and then turned the upside down because it's a blend. You gotta put it in as a blend. I'm going in the suction line here. You can see I'm 3.6. I gotta give it a little bit. Don't want to give it too much. You can see with the suction line. Watch the suction line pressure come up. You don't want to go up too much. You don't want to flood the compressor. So we'll give it a little gas. Give it a little gas. I'm going to watch that. Watch that 3.9. We want to come up with that subcooling. You want to get that up around 10 or so. Right now it's going in the suction line with the liquid. I'm giving a little bit so it's flashing as it goes in there. You don't want to dump a bunch of liquid in there and slug the compressor. You gotta go in slow. Low and slow. You'd hear it, you start slugging the compressor. It's not good. You want to be careful you don't overshoot it with this stuff, because you could really overshoot it easily. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Watch this when it starts dropping. We know we're starting to come back. Alright, we'll shut it off and let it stabilize now. We'll see where we're at. Should be good there. We'll let it stabilize. This is dropping. This is our suction line coming back. That's dropping. That's what we want to see. You don't want to put too much in and overshoot it, right? Good right there. 118. Head pressure's good. Subcooling's right where we want it. Superheat's fine. Subcooling within 3 is good. And 8, 9, 10 is fine with that subcooling. It's got a TXV, so you gotta deal with that. It would have cooled the way it was, but it wouldn't be cooling properly. See, I've got a leak somewhere. I'll let them know about it. Let them know about the leak. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. It's a 15 SEER, it's an 09, 11 years old. Beer can cold. I don't like that he's missing the cover on that thing. I'm gonna tell him he's gonna have to get another disconnect for it. Right by the electric meter, that's kind of odd. But see how the lines go right into the dirt? Oh, gas and go, mama. Alright, so I weighed it before I brought it out there. That was the tank, that was the weight. Now it's 30.5, so a couple of pounds, right? 2.5 pounds of gas. 2.5 pounds. She's a leaker. She's a leaker.